In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Tiltify overlays to your streaming setup. Let's dive right in to make sure your audience can see all those exciting donation milestones clearly displayed during your stream. To get started, first head over to Tiltify and log in with your fundraising account. Make sure you have access to the campaign that you're planning to work with. If you have more than one campaign, select the specific campaign you want to enhance with overlays. This selection is crucial because each campaign can have different overlay needs, and you want to ensure that you're customizing the correct one. Once you're in your campaign dashboard, you'll need to look for the overlay section. This is your hub for all things overlay related. Here you'll find a variety of options such as the donation goal overlay, recent donations, a progress bar, or even alert overlays. Each of these overlays provides a different way to engage with your audience by visibly showing them the progress and activity of your fundraising efforts. Understanding what each overlay does can help you decide which is right for your stream. After deciding on the overlay type, you'll see that Tiltify automatically generates a unique browser source URL for each overlay. This URL is the magic link between Tiltify and your streaming software. Copy the URL of the overlay you have chosen, whether it's a simple donation goal bar or another type. Now let's move over to your streaming software. That could be OBS Studio or Streamlabs, whichever you're comfortable with. Open it up and navigate to the scene where you want the overlay to appear. In this scene, you'll need to add a new source. Click the plus button under the Sources panel, select Browser Source from the list, and this is where you'll paste the Tiltify overlay URL you copied earlier. Make sure to set the resolution appropriately, maybe at a default of 1920 and 80, or adjust it so it fits snugly within your stream layout. This ensures clarity and avoids unnecessary cropping. Now comes the fun part, arranging and customizing. Take a moment to drag and resize the overlay within your scene to complement your design. Feel free to stack multiple overlays, such as combining a goal bar with recent donations and alerts to maximize interaction with your viewership. For those of you who are a bit more tech savvy, Tiltify does allow some CSS customization for advanced styling. This can be useful if you want your overlays to perfectly match the theme of your stream. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to connect your Tiltify overlays to your stream. I hope this guide has helped you understand the process and gets you one step closer to a more engaging streaming experience. Make sure to keep experimenting with layouts and styles to find what works best for your audience and your personal brand. Thanks for tuning in, and happy fundraising!